sleeping and fed.
Mm-hmm.
It puts, especially, you know, it was already
What
going to
a
be rough
cute-
that today was the day I went in the office because I'd be up late. But now I'm going to be up late, and tomorrow's the day I go in the office. That's really rough.
Yeah.
Not to mention, I'm not going to sleep anyway.
Let's hear those hiccups, Miriam. You're so cute. You sure are cute when you hiccup. Is that your little Popeye face?
Back door.
Hi, Alan. Good yawn.